Get ready? Start. 36. Insofar as the remaining decisions relied on by the petitioners, as also the learned additional solicitor general, a cumulative perusal of the same would indicate that though this court has asserted with regard to the legitimate expectation, right not to be discriminated, keeping in view Article 14 of the Constitution of India, etc., they are all essentially in the context while dealing with the rights of a citizen against the state or in a situation where a dispute was between a citizen against another citizen of this country. And in that regard, when the constitutional principles were invoked, stop. Further, the decisions relied on by the learned additional solicitor general would indicate that this court, while considering the right claimed by a foreigner or who is not a citizen of this country, has dealt with the matter differently and declined to interfere and grant any relief. Stop. If in that light the matter is looked into, when there is no dispute to the fact that the petitioners answer the definition of foreigners as defined under the Foreigners Act, the said decisions relied upon by the learned senior counsel for the petitioners would not apply on all fours. Stop. But keeping in view the nature of right claimed by the petitioners as OCI cardholders, which is a status accorded despite being foreigners, and the background circumstance, which led to the situation, the spirit of the principles laid will have to be borne in mind while making further consideration, since the principles laid down therein disapproving non-application of mind, arbitrariness, etc., will hold good in the present circumstance as well. Stop. In the instant case, in the instant facts, the statutory as OCI cardholder subsists, and it is in that light the validity of notification is to be tested, which certainly can be raised by the petitioner and be addressed by this court. Stop. Para 37. Therefore, with the said understanding on the aspect of the applicability of the said decisions concluded as above, in the facts and circumstances arising in the instant case, and the issue which is to be taken note and answered by us, the matter requires further consideration. Stop. No doubt, as pointed out by the learned additional solicitor general, section 2A of the Foreigners Act 1946 defines a foreigner to mean a person who is not a citizen of India. Stop. If the matter had rested at that, there was no difficulty. Stop. In the instant case, there is a different dimension which arises for consideration. Stop. The circumstance in which the petitioners have come to be classified as foreigners and the right which was conferred on them is to be kept in view. Stop. To put the matter in perspective and understand the concept based on which the rights are being claimed by the petitioners, it is necessary to advert to the fact situation and the law governing them despite being classified as foreigner. Stop. Therefore, comma, in that perspective, keeping in view the present position, comma, the decision to supersede the earlier notifications and take away the right of OCI cardholders in whose favor such right had accrued, and they have acted in a manner to take benefit of such right, should not have been nullified without reference to the consequences. Stop.